Hi, I'm Nick. Rear heat and air conditioning is a great feature to have on family vehicles like this Suburban. But as these vehicles age, the AC and heater lines running from the engine bay to the rear can become corroded and leak. These lines run underneath the vehicle where they're exposed to road salt and other contaminants. And because they're installed at the factory before other assemblies are installed, replacing them with original parts can be time-consuming. Dorman's OE FIX rear heat and AC lines were designed to save hours of shop time by not requiring the removal of major assemblies from the vehicle. These multi-piece lines are comprised of convenient sections that are joined with sturdy couplings for a reliable leak-free connection. These new lines include factory-style connectors and have undergone on-vehicle testing to ensure easy installation and a proper fit. Because this procedure requires properly discharging and recharging the air conditioning system with professional equipment, we recommend only qualified technicians perform this job. If you have any questions about this repair or any other, our tech line is always there to help.